Introducing the Copycat Nando's Peri Peri Chicken Burger, a homemade twist on the iconic spicy delight loved worldwide. This recipe combines tender, marinated chicken grilled to perfection with a vibrant, creamy peri peri sauce that packs just the right kick. Fresh lettuce, juicy tomatoes, and crisp red onions add layers of flavor and texture, all held together in a warm, toasted bun. Perfect for a weeknight dinner or weekend cookout, this burger captures the bold flavors of Nando's right in your kitchen. Get ready to bring this restaurant favorite to your table with ease. 1. Ingredients. For peri peri sauce, 1/2 cup mayonnaise, 2 TBSP plain yogurt, 1 TBSP lemon juice, 1/2 task salt, 1 task smoked paprika, 1/2 task cayenne pepper, 1 garlic clove, minced, 1 TBSP olive oil. For chicken marinade, 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, 1 TBSP olive oil, 1 TBSP lemon juice, 1 task smoked paprika, 1/2 task cayenne pepper, 1 garlic clove, minced, salt and pepper to taste. Additional ingredients: 2 burger buns, lettuce leaves, sliced tomato, sliced red onion. 2. Recipe. 1. Prepare peri peri sauce. In a bowl, combine mayonnaise, yogurt, lemon juice, salt, smoked paprika, cayenne pepper, minced garlic, and olive oil. Mix well until smooth. Set aside for later. 2. Marinate chicken. In another bowl, mix olive oil, lemon juice, smoked paprika, cayenne pepper, minced garlic, salt, and pepper. Place chicken breasts in the mixture, coat thoroughly, and marinate for at least 30 minutes, or overnight for better flavor. 3. Grill the chicken. Preheat the grill or a grill pan on medium heat. Grill marinated chicken breasts for 5-7 minutes on each side, or until fully cooked and golden brown. 4. Assemble the burger. Toast the burger buns if desired. Spread peri peri sauce on each bun half. Place lettuce, grilled chicken breast, sliced tomato, and red onion on the bottom bun. Top with the other half of the bun.
5. Serve and enjoy. Serve hot with extra peri peri sauce on the side if desired. Thank you for watching the channel. Please subscribe to the channel to learn more recipes to cook at home.